Hello for everyone that's viewing this video right now. I'm here to show you how to actually send your Skillsoft report off via email. The first thing you want to do is log in to the EditU website. I'm already logged in under my account, so the only thing I have to do is actually access the Skillsoft that I want to send off to someone. So I'm gonna move my mouse over here to my profile. I'm gonna click this drop down arrow and I'm gonna go to learning transcript. And here is like the learning transcript that I have on my Skillsoft account. So I have one thing completed because I wanted to finish something to show you guys how to actually send it. So we're gonna use this as an example, this Word 2016 opening and setting up. So we want to use this one as our example, and I'm going to go to actions over here. I'm going to click these three ellipses like symbol. I'm going to go to launch. So from here, you see on the screen, it says the course test Word 2016 opening and setting up. You want to score at least an 80 on these before you actually email them to the instructor. So on this one, I have an 86, which is the highest score that I scored on it. And I'm gonna actually come over here on this side because we want to email this. So we want to go to completion status, left click here, and this opens up this page. So right here, it says print report. So we want to click here. And from here, you are going to go to print. Okay, so on this screen, the destination, you want to click here, and then you want to save as PDF. So click save as PDF. And then once you go to save, I'm going to input the file name. And you can save it onto your desktop or wherever your destination is for the file. Make sure you remember or you know where you're saving it so you can access it easier. You can create a folder for this, like a special folder for Skillsoft assignments to save all of those. Once you input all these files in the folder, you know where they are. So make sure you know exactly where to look for that. Put this on the desktop for now, save. All right, and that should complete this tutorial. Thank you.